Hello everybody, my name is Hunter from ItsHunter.airsoft. Today I will be doing an mystery unboxing from the Evic Box of Awesomeness from St. Patrick's Day. Let's see what we got today. Okey-dokey, don't mind me. Excuse the stuff around me. Be stuff that I'll be using to test out what we got. Alright, first things first, we got paper. Yes sir. Paper, paper, paper. You can never go wrong. Okie dokie, so I figured. So first things first, this is the 1911 BE. This is the Wii Galaxy in gold and silver. Oh, I like the weight to it. Single stack gas blowback. It comes with some Royal accessories. This is I believe a negative. No, I'm wrong. This is, I think, positive. I can be wrong. Correct me if I'm wrong. Ooh. Okie dokie, this is, I believe it should be about 15. I could be wrong, correct me if I'm wrong. Safety, ooh, I like the texture to it. Okay. Oh, very different from what I'm used to. This is my first Wii Galaxy. Excuse me. Okie dokie. Let's continue on. I'll do a review after I'm done with this unboxing. I believe I already know what we got based off, based off what I see in here. Okie dokie. Crytek. Oh yeah. I know exactly what this is. I won't say it, some of you guys may already know. Ooh, what's this? Oh. Oh, that's cool. Certificate of Swag Pack, congratulations. 2026 Airsoft Con Sack of Conness. Okay, so I'm gonna have to redeem that when I get there. I will make a video regarding that too. Oh, speed loader. It's about time I upgraded my speed loader, even though I have the Odin one automatic. Sorry, not automatic. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, I like this one already. Okie dokie. This is a what? Glock 17 Gen 4 custom carry key one. Forgive me for butchering it. What was this? Evic Mystery Hacks Dangerous Goods Limited Edition Collectible. Okay, this is good stuff, let's see. Forgive me if I'm in a rush. It is burning daylight, so I'm doing whatever I can. Oh, this is the John Wick gold coins. Nice. I have a few laying around back home. Good thing is I'm also collecting these cards. Alright, so this is the main prize of this. I can't put that there. Okay. Oh yeah, this is the CRB. I was correct. I knew it. Even though I just said I wasn't going to say it, I just said it. I believe this is a 1 out of 15. Yeah. Oh, okay. Oh, this is different from what is shown in the photo. Okay. Oh. Oh, it doesn't do that thing with the dust cover. No. Oh, it does. You're kidding. Oh, it's one of those. That's okay. A little stiff on the... Oh, it's okay. With the crisp grip. Nice, nice. This is a retractable Crytek stock. Ooh, M-lock rails. What else does it come with? Magazine. This is most likely a mid cap. Give or take, I can be wrong. Oh yeah, this is mid cap. Let's see. Habit. I'm so used to gas blowbacks. Oh, this is I believe Odin Green. Okay, I believe this is a lipo type. It doesn't come with anything else, so it might not be an open box. Okie dokie. Interesting. I will do a chrono test with my chrono that I have right here. I will be using 0.20 batteries. Why do I keep doing that? This doesn't come with iron sights, surprisingly. Yep, no irons. Huh, weird. Usually stuff like this would come with irons. Negative. Okie dokie. Oh yeah, I like this side. It's perfect. Crytek. This is the yeah, I might want to try. Okay. Seems like metal, all metal, polymer, grip, stock, all polymer. Charging handle polymer, forward assist, metal. I could be wrong. Alright, we will proceed to a chrono test. So we will be doing a chrono test on the Wheat Galaxy 1911B slide and its gold and silver color scheme. Yeah, all metal top and bottom. I believe this is plastic. I forgot what it's called. Oh, let's forget about that. We will be chronoing them with, of course I forgot to do that. Give me a moment. Okay, my apologies about that. The BBs fell out. I forgot to hit this little piece right here so it doesn't lock on itself. So this is a 14 stack magazine. I could be wrong. Alright, it is filled up with green gas already before I start hitting record. And give me a moment. Okie dokie. Alright, we will be doing the chrono test right now. Let's see where it's shooting at. 324, 308. Oh. Uh-oh. Okay, one thing, maybe don't put 14 BBs. It made the magazine lock on itself, so all the BBs start falling out. So I'd recommend just putting 13, putting one in the chamber, add another BB if you want. So let's back to the chrono test. 308. I forgot to rack it. 306. 309. 305. 302. So the average would be around 305, 307, give or take. I can be wrong. Okay, so now I'm going to be chrono testing the CRMB-M Foliage Green M4 from Crytek. It is running I am running a non-lipo battery, so it is a NIM. If I'm correct, it's a either 9.6 or 11.1. I could be wrong. Forget my sniffling. I'm having some allergies for whatever reason. So we will be chrono testing them right now. Just give me a moment. Okay, we will be proceeding to chrono test. It is on semi right now. Let's see where it's at. 346, 344, 343, 344, 343. So it's averaging about anywhere between 342 to 344, which is perfect for my CQB setup that I'm trying to go for. So I'll most likely be doing some upgrades to this puppy later on, though, in the future. Right now I have other projects that I'm currently doing. They're not finished at the moment. So we will see its rate of fire. Alright, we will proceed for testing. Okie dokie. That was a burst firing test. Let's see full auto. So it is averaging 15.2 BBs per shot, per second. That's good, that's good. Let's see one more test. About the average, 15.3 this time. Okay, so we're gonna test out the single fire to it. I will shoot the poorly made targets right next to my bush. I promise not to shoot my bush or anything. Oh, oops. Still under full auto. Okie dokie. Okay, maybe don't spam it like the way I am, like I'm trying to, so it doesn't lock on you. It has done that to me before I tried it on the video. So we're gonna switch it to full auto now. Okie dokie. Don't mind me. Oh. Uh-oh. Hold on. That doesn't seem right. Excuse my poor setup. Okay, so I figured out why it did that. Usually when you spam fire on semi, it decides to lock on you, so all you gotta do is unplug your battery, replug it back in, and it should work just fine, like it did for me. I do need to tighten up some of these screws and everything. So that's the test for this rifle. We're gonna switch to the Wii Galaxy 1911 B slide with only 13 shots instead of 14, since this little piece likes to lock itself back here to its little latch. So this is a only single fire only. Hold on. It does have a BB in the chamber. Whoopsie daisy, forgot to take it out. So we were going to be shooting that target, the poorly made one. All right. Ooh, that's a miss. Okay, on target. Okay, so gas consumption could be a little poor, or I may have a gas leak. I'll have to figure that out afterwards. Let's see. One in the chamber, none in the chamber. Let's see. Yep, out of gas. Let me fill the gas up real quick and we will come back. All right, we're gonna finish off where we left off. So I only have 3 shots, 1 in the chamber, and that will be it for today's video. Okay. Oh, that's it? Bummer. Okay. So that will be it for today's video. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you guys next time.